Elevate your system stability and style. Today, we're unboxing and installing the EZDIY-FAB RH02, the active cooling solution built for the next generation of high-performance memory. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need for a cleaner, cooler build: the RH02 turbo-cooled unit, integrated ARGB housing, and the necessary PWM and lighting connectors. At the heart of the RH02 are three high-speed 20mm PWM fans. Capable of reaching up to 13,000 revolutions per minute, they deliver focused airflow to keep your DDR4 or DDR5 modules cool even under the heaviest AI or gaming loads. Versatility is key. Whether you're using standard bare modules, third-party heatsinks, or the seamless RH01 ARGB ecosystem, the RH02 integrates perfectly to provide that extra thermal headroom. First, install your memory into the primary channels. Not sure which slots to use? Always check your motherboard's markings or manual for the optimal dual-channel configuration, typically slots 2 and 4. Pop them in until they click. Now for the active cooling. The RH02 features a tool-free dim slot design. Simply align it with the remaining empty slots, usually 1 and 3, and press down just like a standard memory module for a secure fit. For the final touch, connect the 4-pin PWM fan cable for intelligent speed control and the 3-pin 5-volt ARGB cable to your hub or motherboard to sync your lighting. And there you have it. Superior cooling, vibrant ARGB, and a sleek modern look. The EZDIY-FAB RH02 Premium Active Cooling System.